Hello guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to change language in WriteSonic AI. So, if you want to write a content in a different language, then here's a step-by-step guide to do it. First is, open WriteSonic AI and log into your account. So let's type WriteSonic.com and then let's sign in. And now once you are in the dashboard, so the next thing you need to do, this is the step 2, you have to look for the language settings or the language preferences option. So where can we see the language settings? Over here, this is your profile. Just tap this, and as you can see, there is a word preferences over here. So all you need to do, guys, is just tap that, and alright, so now we are in the language settings, and you'll now see here a drop down menu that allows you to select the desired language. Alright, so let's say for example system language, let's tap this, and let's say for example we want Spanish, so let's tap the Spanish, and also here over here. So let's change from English into Spanish too. Your default output language has been updated successfully. So let's try to look our dashboard. Guys, so as you can see from English, the language here now is already in Spanish. Alright, so this is so simple on how to do this. Now let's try to set the language again into its default language, which is the English. So let's choose the language. Alright, so as you can see, guys, so let's refresh it so that we can see if there is changes already. Alright, so there we go, from Spanish. So the language now here is already in English. So this is so simple on how to change the language in WriteSonic AI. Alright, so there we go. This is on how to change language in WriteSonic AI. So if you want to know on how to change language in WriteSonic AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to change language in WriteSonic AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!